We got a 98 Kawasaki Prairie 400 4x. And I got the primary clutch off. For you guys that are going to do this, I had to cut the end of the clutch puller because I stripped 3 threads on the pulley itself. So cut that off, make it so it goes a little deeper in there, and then you can just hammer it out with an impact. So having some issues. Clutch was knocking, so I got it all apart here. But I'm not sure what's fucked. Like, she shimmies back and forth. Can't really see. It seems like everything's loose. And then when you put the collar back on. Oh yeah, and then a weight broke or something, whatever this thing is. She snapped inside. It's like plastic. So yeah, I put that collar on. Put this back on. And this thing, because I have no tension on it, look at the play. That's what it's like when it's running. I don't know what the issue is though. If you guys just want to let me know what I'm looking for here. Everything seems loose in there. I don't know if it's better off rebuilding this or just buying another clutch. Like the shaft ain't loose, it's everything around it. It's more or less this cover. It looks like it's like I'm missing something in there. It's causing it to shake around. If you guys want to let me know, just leave a comment or something. Thanks.